I also have some blackheads and whiteheads deep under my skin. My nose, which I thought were supposed to go away when you become an adult, but no, that's a lie. Hey, I'm JoJo, and I'm about to play Masked and Answered with Marie Claire, where I'm gonna put on a mask, chug some water, mad dehydrated, and answer some beauty questions. I figured it's time to pull out the spa-powered, heavy-duty mask. Woo! I love California. I love all the citrus we have here, and I love that my friends have extra lemons and bring me lemons to put in the water and to bake with and just do all types of stuff with it. I could do a mask with it, like put Manuka honey in with some lemons, with some cinnamon, turmeric. Morning skincare routine. I normally have stuff on my skin from the night before, so I will wash my face and then we'll put on an anti-pollution serum and then my normal oil, pat it on my skin, and then put an SPF on. What kind of music do I like to listen to when I'm getting ready? I've been liking lo-fi music, like kind of jazzy hip hop. So if I'm like putting a mask on and then going to sleep, it's that. But if I'm getting ready to go out, remember going out? Probably like Meg Thee Stallion or Doja Cat, something that makes me feel confident, fly. Do I deal with acne or unwanted pimples? What's your zit fighting routine? I like to use those things that are like sheets and then you peel off and they have the medicine inside them. So sometimes I'll walk around with those and I'll put them, I'll have like them all over my face. Taking a bath and then moisturizing my entire body. Something I really like doing, and then like putting socks on, slathering my feet with like a body butter or whatever, and then wrapping them up in socks. I like doing that. Craziest beauty treatment I've ever done. Microneedling is pretty crazy, I think, because you're putting in like little puncture wounds into your face. So I would say that's probably the craziest thing I've done. Go to health and wellness practices. Get my heart rate up at least 5 days a week. I love to work out and making sure I break a sweat. Definitely believe in the benefits of meditation and yoga, connecting with your body and linking breath to movement. I try to check in with myself as often as I need to. When do I feel most beautiful? When I'm really dewy and my skin is clear and I have a little bit of a tan. I feel like I'm in a commercial. All-time favorite moisturizer, Belief. It's at the very end of it, but it's a true cream moisturizing balm. It's amazing. I go through this like that. Who is my go-to facialist or esthetician? Leslie, who is the founder and maker of Claire Skin beauty products. She's awesome. But it does look kind of radiant. So I'm gonna use this Symmetry Fluid by Claire Skin, anti-pollution. Kiehl's retexturizing serum. I started doing these anti-aging things and I kind of look like a baby. I started really thinking about skincare as I'm approaching 30. Boom. Deluxe Vitamin C Eye Cream by Ultralux. My under eyes get so friggin' dry. Oh, but I'm on my period right now, so there's that. How could I forget? My skin gets really bad around the time I'm having my period. This is my favorite moisturizer ever. Favorite moisturizer ever. Yes, it is. And then lastly, this is from Claire Skin as well. This is a custom oil that she made for me. I think she might be selling it now because it's so great. It smells so good. This is how apparently our skin is supposed to look and feel all the time. It's supposed to be this hydrated. But then of course it's hard to put makeup on. But since I ain't going anywhere, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Boom. All right, thank you for watching Masked and Answered. And now it's time for you to face mask and show. Don't forget to subscribe to Marie Claire's YouTube channel and tell us which mask you're loving in the comment section below.